In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this very amazing paper airplane I designed, and it is called Ranger. In order to fold Ranger, you need an A4 size paper. First, fold this edge to this edge. Like this. Then open it back up. Now fold this edge to the center crease. And then repeat on the other side. Fold this edge to the center crease. Repeat on the other side. Fold this point down to this edge, and to this point where this crease touches this back edge. Now we're going to make a crease that will start from this point where this edge touches this edge, crosses this edge, and then we'll end right over here where this edge crosses this edge over here. Like this. Now we're going to open this pocket. You can use a pen if you want. Open this pocket, and now we have this light crease right over here. We have a crease right over here, and we will land that crease onto this edge like this, and then repeat on the other side. Now we're going to open this flap like this. Now we're going to just put these flaps over here, and then we're going to fold it up again. Now we're going to fold it in half like this, and now we're going to make the wings. So we're going to land only this edge onto this edge, not this part of the wing, only this part. Flip it over and repeat on the other side. And then open your wings up like this, and now your plane is done. But it's not quite done because we need to make some adjustments. So if you see your plane diving down, you can just bend the back parts of the wings just a little bit. And yes, you have to also bend the wings up like this so it makes the letter Y, not the letter T. I have also done it to this plane over here as well. So yes, this is the video. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, watch my latest video, and watch more paper plane videos right over here in this playlist. So see you guys next time. Bye.